Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I are counting down our top picks for the best body trimmer for men. Finding the right one can be tricky with so many options out there, but I have done the heavy research for you. Let's dive right in. Product number 1. Philips Norelco Bodygroom Series 1100. Taking the very first spot on our lineup is an absolute game changer in every sense. I am talking about the Philips Norelco Bodygroom Series 1100. Right out of the box, the premium craftsmanship shines through immediately, ensuring it will last for a very long time. It dramatically outpaces standard expectations, tackling complex and demanding tasks with absolute ease and zero lag. The deeply ergonomic structure actively prevents any physical fatigue, making extremely long usage sessions surprisingly comfortable. The completely frictionless upkeep process actively removes the traditional ownership headaches associated with similar devices. I highly encourage you to tap that first link in the description to see how surprisingly pocket-friendly it actually is. Backed by over 23,112 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.2 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. Ultimately, it is a deeply rewarding investment that genuinely lives up to its massive hype. Product number 2. Panasonic Cordless Beard Trimmer for Men. Shifting our focus, here is an extraordinary alternative that brings massive value. I am talking about the Panasonic Cordless Beard Trimmer for Men. The sleek aesthetic is perfectly matched by its heavy-duty architectural design, ensuring zero compromises. You can expect nothing less than flawless execution across a variety of scenarios, providing massive relief to users. Beyond the basics, the highly intuitive design makes operating it a complete breeze for both beginners and experts alike. It operates with remarkable stability, easily making it one of the most dependable and stress-free options available. Get the absolute maximum value for your hard-earned money by monitoring the live price via the link in the description. Backed by over 13,848 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.3 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. I highly suggest keeping this on your radar for a completely hassle-free upgrade. Product number 3. MANGROOMER 2.0 Professional Body Groomer. Let us pivot to another remarkable contender that is dominating the conversation right now. I am talking about the MANGROOMER 2.0 Professional Body Groomer. Designed with meticulous precision, it feels incredibly solid and enduring right from the very first touch. Its core engine is highly optimized to provide maximum efficiency, allowing you to achieve professional-grade outcomes. Navigating its advanced features feels surprisingly natural and completely seamless right from day one. You will be completely thrilled to discover that it practically runs itself autonomously once it is properly set up. It has been thoughtfully priced to fit your financial comfort zone. I have dropped the official link below so you can monitor live offers. Backed by over 4,301 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 3.9 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It effortlessly proves exactly why it is celebrated as a genuine top-tier contender by countless users. Product number 4. Norelco Philips Norelco Body Groomer 5000 Series BG 5495/50. Shifting our focus, here is an extraordinary alternative that brings massive value. I am talking about the Norelco Philips Norelco Body Groomer 5000 Series BG 5495/50. It boasts an incredibly rugged yet sophisticated exterior frame that is built to withstand massive amounts of pressure. It effortlessly glides through demanding workloads with remarkable speed, leaving almost all competitors completely in the dust. The deeply ergonomic structure actively prevents any physical fatigue, making extremely long usage sessions surprisingly comfortable. You can confidently trust this device to perform beautifully day in and day out without requiring constant monitoring. Get the absolute maximum value for your hard-earned money by monitoring the live price via the link in the description. Backed by over 386 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.3 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. Making the choice to add this to your collection is a decision you will definitely thank yourself for. Product number 5. Norelco Philips Norelco Body Groomer 5000 Series BG 5490/50. Moving on to our list, I have another incredible option that you should seriously consider. I am talking about the Norelco Philips Norelco Body Groomer 5000 Series BG 5490/50. The structural integrity is second to none, showcasing a robust frame that feels virtually indestructible in everyday scenarios. When it comes to performance, it solves common frustrations effortlessly, providing an incredibly smooth and versatile experience. Beyond the basics, the highly intuitive design makes operating it a complete breeze for both beginners and experts alike. Its highly energy-efficient nature quietly saves you money in the long run, adding tremendous hidden value. To find out if there is an active discount or special coupon available right now, make sure to check the direct link down below. Backed by over 167 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.3 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It provides a masterclass in combining functionality with design, earning my highest recommendation. That wraps up our comprehensive list for today. I hope this guide helped you find the perfect fit for your needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for updated pricing, and I will see you in the very next video.